Hey Google, lights on. What's going on, guys? I just bought the Sony A7III. Let's go pick it up. I've had this camera in mind for just about 3 months now, but I haven't been able to justify buying it until today. And that's because I wanted a camera that could perform well in low light, can shoot slow-mo if I want to, and doesn't break the bank too much. And I know the A7III just came out, and as much as I would love to buy that camera, I just can't afford it right now. So I decided, since I'm just new to videography, still learning a bunch, A7III is actually not a bad deal right now. So I went on Best Buy's website and I'm about to pick it up now. Take you guys along. You gotta make sure to set the tunes before you go cruise. Tunes before cruise. Let's go. Just got to Best Buy and I'm super excited for this camera. I'm hoping to get another lens too aside from the kit lens, but we'll see if they even let me shop right now, because apparently Best Buy is not essential. I don't know, you tell me. I'll see you guys back here once I get everything. Damn! Let's go! Can't wait to unbox this. Gonna go home. Once I get home, I'll try and see if I can... Oh! Whoa, my wipers just went crazy. Forgot to turn this thing off. Let's go. So here we have the Sony A7III with the kit lens. Opening it up, first we see the manuals that come along with the camera, but I'll just throw that to the side. Next, we have the neck strap, which is going to be very useful. I'll definitely be using this a lot. Opening this, we can see the camera body, but I'll just set this aside for now. For accessories, we got the rechargeable Sony Z battery. It only comes with one, but these batteries are really good. They last a really long time compared to the older Sony batteries. It also comes with the micro USB cord and wall charger for charging the battery. Next, we have the lens hood and the actual kit lens, which is the 28 to 70mm f3.5 to 5.6. This lens is actually pretty good because it comes with OSS, which is optical steady shot, for stabilizing your footage. It's cheaper to buy the kit lens with the camera instead of just on its own, but I'm most likely going to be upgrading to a different lens in the future, but this will do for now. And I think that's everything that's in the box. Time for the camera body. This is what she looks like. On the left side, we can see the mic input, HDMI, and also a headphone jack. And right below that is the Type-C and micro USB slot, which you can use to charge the camera. On the other side, you will find two SD card slots for the A7III. And this is where the battery goes in. Let me just put everything together so you guys can see what it looks like on the camera. And there she is. What an absolute beauty. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, as I'll definitely be making more content with this camera. Remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified for my future videos. That's all I got for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.